Pictochart Design Service Review. Watch before using. Most people think great design requires expensive software and years of experience, but here's the surprising truth. With the right tool, anyone can create professional visuals in minutes. That tool might be Pictochart. Pictochart is an online design platform best known for creating infographics, presentations, reports, social media graphics, and marketing visuals. It is widely used by teachers, students, marketers, and business owners who want clean, modern designs without needing a design degree. Here's what most people get wrong. They think Pictochart is only for infographics. In reality, it includes templates for slides, posters, charts, resumes, flyers, and even video visuals. Everything is drag and drop, which means you can build a full design without touching complicated tools. Getting started is simple. You choose a template, customize the colors and fonts, add your text and images, and download your finished design. Pictochart includes built-in icons, illustrations, charts, and photo libraries, so you do not need to search for assets elsewhere. The surprising truth is that visuals can increase engagement dramatically. Studies consistently show that visual content is more likely to be remembered than plain text. That makes tools like Pictochart extremely valuable for presentations, marketing, and online education. Pictochart offers free and paid plans. The free plan works for basic projects, while paid plans unlock premium templates, higher quality downloads, and brand customization features. Pictochart is best for small businesses, teachers, content creators, and students who want professional results quickly. If you want to improve your visuals without hiring a designer, Pictochart is worth trying. Subscribe to the channel for more honest design tool reviews and productivity tips.